a galaxy far, far away. Or is it the Death Star? Just the name sends shivers down your spine. This colossal space station with its planet-destroying capabilities is a symbol of ultimate power and fear. This iconic weapon of destruction from Star Wars is the stuff of nightmares. Its sheer size and destructive power make it a formidable force in the galaxy. Imagine a moon-sized space station capable of obliterating entire planets with a single blast. The concept is both fascinating and terrifying. It's the ultimate power fantasy, but could it ever exist outside the realm of fiction? Could humanity ever achieve such a feat? Could we, in our own galaxy, build such a terrifying weapon? The idea seems far-fetched, but let's delve deeper. The Death Star, in all its cinematic glory, seems like an impossibility. Yet, the allure of such power continues to captivate our imaginations, but let's break it down. What would it take to create something of this magnitude? The science, the technology, the resources? Let's take a journey from the fictional galaxy far, far away to our own world, exploring the science and the consequences of such a powerful weapon. Could the Death Star ever become a reality, or will it remain a figment of our collective imagination? Decoding the Death Star. More than just a moon, the Death Star is massive, estimated to be over 100 kilometers in diameter. This colossal size makes it one of the largest man-made structures ever conceived in science fiction. That's bigger than some moons in our solar system. For instance, it's larger than Mimas, one of Saturn's moons, and even some of Jupiter's smaller moons. Its surface is a complex web of weaponry, including turbo lasers, ion cannons, and of course, the planet-destroying super laser. These weapons are strategically placed to defend against any potential threats. The super laser is the Death Star's most terrifying feature. It is capable of unleashing a beam of energy so powerful that it can obliterate entire planets in mere moments. It harnesses a tremendous amount of energy, enough to destroy a planet with one shot. This level of destruction is unparalleled and showcases the sheer power of the Death Star. We see this destructive power firsthand in the Star Wars films, where planets are turned to dust in seconds. The visual effects highlight the devastating impact of the super laser, but how would such a weapon even work? The science behind it is complex, involving advanced energy manipulation and focusing techniques. When science fiction meets reality, the physics of destruction. Here's where the Death Star bumps into the hard wall of reality. The energy required to power the super laser is astronomical, far beyond anything we can currently generate or store. We're talking about harnessing the power of stars themselves. Even if we could somehow gather that much energy, focusing it into a single beam capable of destroying a planet is another challenge altogether. Our current understanding of physics suggests that such a feat would be near impossible. The beam would likely dissipate over such vast distances. The Death Star's shadow, a universe of consequences. This ominous structure looms large in the galaxy, casting a shadow not just physically but morally and ethically as well. Beyond the technological hurdles, the ethics of building a Death Star are even more daunting. The sheer scale of such a project raises questions about the limits of human ambition and the moral cost of such power. The power to obliterate entire planets is a terrifying concept. It's not just about the immediate destruction, but the long-term impact on the galaxy's ecosystem and the countless lives lost. Imagine the potential for destruction, the fear it would instill across the galaxy. The mere existence of such a weapon would create a climate of perpetual fear and instability. And what if such a weapon fell into the wrong hands? The consequences would be catastrophic, with the potential for misuse by those with malicious intent. What if an alien civilization, perhaps not as benevolent as the Rebel Alliance, got their hands on this technology? The balance of power in the galaxy would be irreversibly altered. The consequences would be too devastating to comprehend. Entire civilizations could be wiped out in an instant, leaving nothing but desolation in their wake. The Death Star, while a captivating element of science fiction, serves as a stark reminder. It symbolizes the potential dangers of unchecked technological advancement. It highlights the responsibility we have as we continue to push the boundaries of technology. We must be vigilant and ensure that our innovations do not lead to our own undoing. We must always consider the consequences of our creations and ensure that our advancements serve to protect life, not destroy it. The future of our galaxy depends on the choices we make today.